Let me ask you a question. Do you want to be wealthy? Do you want to have the freedom to travel the world, to buy your mansions, to own cars, and live the life of your design? Are you tired of financial advice that leads you to Ponzi schemes, investment scams, and endless wealth pursuits that ultimately leads to frustration and disappointment? Do you care to know how successful self-made individuals who came from nothing got to acquire their stupendous wealth? The truth of the matter is yes, you can replicate these principles and get the results if you know the roadmap. Now, you may be asking yourself, what are these principles and secrets to make fortunes? Well, let's find out. I welcome you to my channel. This is a place where you and I are going to discover the principles and secrets of highly successful people and systems from around the world. Together, we are going to find out their strategies for personal growth and mindset transformation, and most importantly, how we can replicate it. The truth is that wealth is a form of power, but what is most important and most powerful is your personal development and financial education, which this channel is committed to provide to you. I am a lifelong learner who is committed to study, practice, and teach, because I believe that success is something that you attract by the person you become. So, back to the question I asked at the beginning. Do you want to be wealthy? If your answer is yes, join me on this journey by subscribing to this channel. Together, we are going to explore everything from books to online courses to success blueprints and all that it takes to make fortunes. I humbly request that you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification, because it's important for you to keep coming back to this channel so you don't miss out on this amazing journey. Thank you.
He said, if you work hard on your job, you'll make a living. If you work hard on yourself, you can make a fortune.